Welcome to InsightVault Sales IQ. In this demo, you'll see how InsightVault helps sales teams identify the right opportunities faster. Let's start with Vanguard Health Systems. InsightVault automatically analyzes available account information, including company details, infrastructure data, technology assets, business indicators, and supporting documents within seconds. The platform builds a complete account profile, eliminating hours of manual research and consolidating everything into a single view. Next, InsightVault identifies key opportunity signals. For Vanguard, the platform detects a complex multi-vendor environment that includes Dell EMC, NetApp, Cisco, and HPE technologies. It also identifies aging infrastructure and upcoming support lifecycle events, strong indicators of potential buying activity. InsightVault then evaluates business conditions, including cost pressures, operational challenges, and budget considerations. Combined with the infrastructure analysis, these factors help determine overall opportunity potential. The platform also maps likely decision makers and influencers, giving sales teams valuable insight into who to engage and what matters most to them. Finally, InsightVault calculates an ideal customer profile score for Vanguard Health Systems. The account shows strong infrastructure alignment, clear business drivers, and high buying potential. As a result, it is recommended as a high priority target. Asterisk. Now let's compare that with Apex Financial Services, using the same analysis process. InsightVault finds newer infrastructure, active support contracts, and fewer indicators of near-term purchasing activity. The result is a significantly lower fit score and a lower priority. Recommendation. This is the power of InsightVault Sales IQ, instant account qualification, buyer intelligence, opportunity analysis, and account prioritization, all delivered in seconds. Focus on the right accounts, engage the right buyers, and spend more time selling, not researching.